Something I don't know why, what happened, that the screen went away. But anyway, I'm starting. And first I am going to share the screen. And this is the screen for WDF University. And I'm sharing this screen. Now I hope you are able to see it. So again, I come here. And I am Dr. H.S. Srivastav, and I was Additional Director General in All India Radio and Doordarshan. And I was the person who started Kisan Channel, which you all know about Ministry of Agriculture Kisan Channel. That I had started when I was in Prasar Bharati. There was a MOU between Agriculture Ministry and Prasar Bharati, and then we started that. I also started education channel for IGNU, this Gyanvani and Gyan Darshan, that was started by me. And when I retired, I had an institution known as World Development Foundation. And in World Development Foundation, what we are doing is we are trying to do some innovative work, especially use of mass media, ICT, and communication for uh, for teaching and making people aware for formal and informal education and how do we do it. So that using that, one of the work we did it, and just now I was discussing, I think with Dr. Meena about the work we did in Bihar Agriculture University. It was agricultural knowledge dissemination system, which was devised by me, conceptualized by me, and be used in the year 11-12 to spread education to students as well as the farmers in the university. And it was the first time that video lessons were used and video conferencing system was made where the professors could sit in the university and they could get connected to KVKs. And the KVKs were, 200, 300 kilometers away from there. For example, BU Sabor, Bhagalpur, some of you know it because you are in the agriculture university system. And then there were KVKs who were in Banka, there were KVKs in different Saharsa, like that. And at that time, it was not possible to talk as we are talking in the video conferencing. We had to put the optical fiber line and satellite system and like that to get connected to all those places. So that was the first that we did it. Now, the technology had changed much more. What we did in Agriculture University, BAU, and if some people, some of you have visited BAU, then you will know that they are using this system of video conferencing for showing the agricultural videos and then explaining it online. So it becomes so good that when you are showing them, he can come back like this on the video conferencing. And when you are talking, he says, a farmer comes and he says, look here, this is the problem in my seed, this is the problem in my plant, what should I do? And as a professor, you give a solution. Then he comes after 2 weeks and 3 weeks and he says, thank you, sir, my problem is solved, now I'm better. And or otherwise he comes and says, my problem is not solved, what do I do it? So it was a direct interaction between the professors and the people in the field, and it was a very different mode of extension using ICT. Now the technology has further progressed. So what we have done is we have launched a WDF University, which is an online university. And now I am coming to WDF University to show you some of the special features of the university, how it is being done to teach formal classes and also informal classes. I must tell you that these days everybody is talking of remote teaching, and remote teaching means just talking like this, what we are doing it, using a video conferencing and some mode of Zoom or something, or sending some note by Gmail. This is not an effective way of teaching. we have to adopt a very different mode for teaching it. Now let us see how we do it, and then we will discuss how we can do it together. Now I go to the WDF University, and if you will see that the university, first thing what we have done is that you can select the language. So you want any language of India or the world, then the entire thing will change to that language. For example, if I select it to say Bengali, then you will find the entire, let it change. Yes, the entire thing has changed to Bengali. And this holds good for any language of the world which has been recognized. So I go back to English because I myself don't know Bengali. Now, second thing is we will take one course. For example, we are going to take a course on agriculture for paddy cultivation. Okay. Now we are in the course on the paddy cultivation. And we all are in the field of teaching, so we know that we have created a learning objectives that after going through this course, you will understand the scientific technique of increasing the yield of paddy, a new method of growing known as Sri Vidhi, the pest and the pesticide to be used, removal of weeds. It will have 11 lessons with video for each course. So what we are doing is, number one is first, we are defining the objective. This objective can be drawn matching your lessons which has been prescribed for doing BAG or MAG or whatsoever we are doing it. So it can be, for if we are going for formal education, the objective which is there for the course, that is there, it has been put on the website. So he knows that after he has gone through the lesson, he has to fulfill this objective. The 11 lessons for paddy cultivation. Now, somebody has put on the, I think, microphone, so we had to put off. Or somebody has joined? No. Some noise is coming. I don't know from where it is coming. Okay, now it is gone. Okay. So again, we come to the same thing. After you have gone thing, then he says, what is the curriculum of the lesson? And after that, he says in lesson 1, what will be taught? Scientific cultivation of paddy, part 1, part 2, controlling of weeds in paddy. So you have defined the lessons in lesson 1, what are the courses that you are covering. And then he is having a lot of, audio courses. So he can select any of the audio course, not any, he has to go through all the audio courses if he wants to complete the lesson. So what he will do is, he will select the audio courses and he has to listen, sitting in his house. Now, after he has gone through these audio lessons, he will be getting some PowerPoint presentation, so which is prepared by people like you who are expert on the system. So your PowerPoint presentation is there. He can see at any time. And then there are video lessons. There are a lot of video lessons. Paddy scientific cultivation, this video. He can select any video he wants it. So any video he can select and play. So now I will show you a video also. For example, let me see, controlling weeds in paddy. Are you getting the voice also, or you are not getting the voice? You are not getting the voice? Are you getting the voice?
No, sir. No, sir.
All right. So let me
No.
put on the voice. So what I will do is, I will go to, again, I will stop it and I will reconnect it with audio on. Okay, then I go to Microsoft Edge and I put on the audio and then I go to the Paddy cultivation. Share. Now what
किसान भाइयों, धान से जुड़ी हुई बहुत सारी जानकारियां हम आपको कई भागों में देते आ रहे हैं।
Are you getting
इस
audio?
भाग में हम चर्चा कर रहे हैं
Yes, sir.
धान में लगने वाले प्रमुख खरपतवार के बारे में। सबसे पहले हम जानते हैं कि आखिर खरपतवार से धान में नुकसान क्या क्या होता है। अगर आपके खेतों में
Now one thing I want to tell it that all these audios were made. Yes.
श्रीवास्तव सर।
Yes, please.
Are you able to listen?
अगर आपके खेतों में खरपतवार लग जाए तो आपके फसल को मिलने वाले पोषक तत्व, पानी या अगर किसी खाद का छिड़काव करते हैं तो खरपतवार आपके फसल से वो सारी चीजें चुरा लेते हैं। कहने का मतलब है कि फसल को उचित मात्रा में पोषक।
हेलो।
यस।
जैसे जमीन के लिए, रोशनी के लिए, जमीन में उपलब्ध नमी के लिए और जमीन में उपलब्ध पोषक तत्वों के लिए, ये सारे चीजों के साथ खरपतवार फसल के साथ प्रतिस्पर्धा
वीडियो ऑफ कर दीजिए
और इससे फसल की वृद्धि को रोक देते हैं तथा इसकी उपज और उत्पादकता को काफी कम कर देते हैं। अमूमन हम
put up that. What I'm going to tell is these all video lessons have been put over there, and this video lesson is available within the course structure. So
sir, we don't need the preloaded one because our teacher will teach the students only.
Okay. So when we will go here again, we are going back here. What we have done is, there are some videos that you go on
this model may be perfect for the farmers, but it is not fit for the students.
Perfectly okay. It maybe have to change, but what we have done is, now you see is that we have put some video lessons. Apart from that, within the website, the video conferencing system has been built into. Okay. He comes there, he has seen the objective of the course, he has seen some audio lessons, he can listen to it. The video lesson may be either you can go on speaking, and if you are giving a speech using the Jitsi built into that, then in that case, what will happen is what you are teaching will be recorded, and that will become a video lesson for being repeated. You are reinforcing it. If you do it, if you want to listen 5 times, otherwise, in class you give lecture once. And
how many classes at a time we can take through this model? How many classes at a time?
As many as you want. We have to only increase the bandwidth. So if we increase the internet bandwidth a bit for your university, then you can be having any number of classes. For example, where here we are having at least 12 courses are loaded on this. So all the 12 courses we can take, different professors can take their own courses. So you can take as many number of courses. The only limitation comes is in the bandwidth. Because, even you found that when I was trying to do it in once or twice because we are working from the home, so bandwidth is very limited. So that creates a problem when a lot of people come. If 50 people I will put it, I need slightly more bandwidth. That's all. So you can take any number of lessons.
Please explain only about the video conferencing. How we can join the students? What may be the number of students in a class? How many classes can be taken at a time? Can we record the lecture or not? These are the things which we will require.
Yes, this is what I'm telling. That if I go to this course and then here I start the meeting, and then in this meeting, which is, we are doing outside the course, not in the course, when I will start the meeting in this course, then only those students who are having a password will be able to join into your course. So the entire university cannot join. So if you are going to have a class tomorrow, today on the internet, on the WhatsApp or Gmail, you will give them, this is the link and this is the password. This will be the timing when you will join the class. Okay.
On each and every day, we have to share the link and the password. The password and the link will remain same for all the semester.
No. For every lesson you create it, and after the link, for example, the link I have given to you, it is valid only as long as we are here. Afterwards, it will not be there. Similarly, the password will also expire after you have done it. And when you are teaching it, then the entire thing will get recorded. So it also becomes your future lesson, unless you want to do it. Because, if you are going into the formal education, the course curriculum has been decided by university or UGC or whoever the authority is there. So once you are taught it, number one is, it is up to you. You can allow them to see it 5 times, 10 times. So the student who is having a password can see what you have taught. Because once you teach, we absorb 20%, 30%, and then you have gone it, I start forgetting it. But by having your lecture, you are reinforcing again and again. So that is the advantage. You are teaching, your videos are being recorded. Now I'm going further. What else is there here? Okay. So what we are doing right now is a classroom lecture. That in any case is built into here. What extra is there? For every lesson he is getting an objective. Then let me see something more. Now after this, he is having the entire text of the course is here. Okay. Scientific calculation of paddy, video number 1. So what you are going to teach, you have created a course content and you have put on the website and it is available for him, for your students. ठीक है ना? तो वो कह रहा है कि आप उसको वीडियो भी दे रहे हैं जो उसको 5 दफा देखने को मिल रहा है. देखिए कितना reinforce हो रहा है. Then you are giving him the text which is already prepared. You have put it into there. So आपका टेक्स्ट वहां अवेलेबल है, वो उसको देखेगा, टेक्स्ट को पढ़ेगा. उसके बाद उसके आगे आइए, उसके आगे क्या इसमें स्पेशलिटी है. नाउ आफ्टर ये डन है जी,
मेरी एक तो क्वेरी है इसमें
जी
कि सपोज ब्रो देयर आर 70 स्टूडेंट इन ए क्लास.
यस,
वी हैव टू शेयर द लिंक एंड द पासवर्ड इन ईच एंड एवरी क्लास ड्यूरिंग ईच एंड एवरी लेसन.
देखिए ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि जैसे आपके साथ 70 बच्चे हैं, and if you want to do for 70 people, then what you can do is you create one class, and for that class you give a common password. So for the entire session he will be having the password, he will be able to join your class.
But if we are having 4 to 5 sessions in a day, then we have to share the password 4 to 5 times.
No. For example, if I give a password for you here and I tell that I allow you that tomorrow also you can join, you can use the same password and join tomorrow also. Or if you want to join after one hour, you can join again. Okay, so these are the smaller things that has to be built into that, and it is already available there. For example, here, you must have heard about Udemy or like that. When they are doing the class, they are giving the password, and what Udemy is doing it, they are charging some money also. The money is also coming to the website, and then they are given the password. The password is only for the period that you have allowed them. So, in the system, you can have for how many hours you want to give the password, how many months you want to give the password. So that password, he will be able to do it, and you have authority to change the password in time. Supposing you want that, okay, I want to change the password, and these two people have been restricted, they are not allowed, or they are not given the fee, they are not allowed to join the class. You can do that also. So these are the smaller things. This can always be done. Now let us go again to the course. Now what happens here?
Second question is my dad.
Yes, please.
Suppose there are 70 students.
Yes.
30 बच्चे स्टार्टिंग में आपके जुड़ गए और फिर वन बाय वन ऐड होते जा रहे हैं, तो क्या वो टीचर को हर बार उसको ऐड करना पड़ेगा?
नहीं, आपने 70 को पास इशू, जैसे मान लीजिए हमने आप सबको पास दे दिया है, लिंक दे दिया है। अब अगर आपके वीसी साहब अभी ज्वाइन करना चाहें, ही कैन ज्वाइन इट यूजिंग दैट। लेकिन जो हमने पहले बोल दिया है उसको अभी तो नहीं मिलेगा उनको, लेकिन अगर हम सारा रिकॉर्ड कर दिए हैं तो लड़का जाके फिर सुन लेगा जो मिस कर गया है वो, ठीक है ना। तो सो नॉर्मली तो बच्चे को ही शुड कम इनटू द क्लास एट द टाइम व्हेन यू आर स्टार्टिंग द क्लास।
ऑटो ज्वाइन हो जाएगा वो।
वंडरफुल,
नो नीड टू ज्वाइन, लिंक को क्लिक करते ही विल जॉइन अस।
यस, whenever he comes on the computer, he clicks the link and he puts his password, he will be able to join. But he will join, supposing if somebody, we have given it to okay, should I continue?
Yes, please keep continue.
All right. So जैसे अभी है कि अभी मान लीजिए अभी वीसी साहब ज्वाइन करने चाहें तो वो अपने कमरे से लिंक को क्लिक करें। अभी हमने पासवर्ड नहीं बनाया था क्योंकि जैसे लोगों को करना था। Otherwise, you click the link, it will ask the password, you put the password, you join it. He can join just now. So anybody who has not joined the meeting, he has not been forbidden from joining this meeting. He can join at any time till the meeting is going on. When the meeting is over, then it is over. He can't join anything. But till the meeting is going on, till you are teaching, he will be able to join. But the only thing is, what has been taught, it is gone. But here, in your normal class, when he comes, after say 15 minutes,
आप भी सुनो अच्छे से,
तो वो तो गया आपका लेक्चर 15 मिनट का, but यहाँ at least he will be getting a recording so that after having attended the class in the evening, he can see the entire lecture. Okay, so you see how much it is enforced. उसको एग्जाम के 2 दिन पहले पता चला कि साहब ये साहब ने पढ़ाया था वो तो मैं भूल गया, then he can again go through the class and he can listen to the entire lecture. That is the advantage of this type of ICT use in the thing. Otherwise, you go and teach it. Some people have come, supposing some have not come at all, they have not attended your 2 lectures, then they will miss forever. Here they are not missing.
Is there any interactive board?
Pardon?
Can you interact with the students? Is it possible?
I could not follow. What I have to do?
Interaction with the students.
Huh.
Is possible?
Yes. And apart from this, one more thing I want to say, which is a very novel way, which I learned when I was doing my management in the UK. Now, what happens is, after he has done your class, he has done the lessons, he has done the audio, he has done the video, everything. Then he says, in the paddy cultivation lesson 1, you have completed lesson 1 of the subject, this. You have learnt about this, major weeds in the paddy, controlling of paddy in paddy, now this. Now, start a quiz. So, he has to start a quiz. Now it says, okay, there are Prabhati, Turanta, you people know better than me. These are the paddies. Okay. Now, these varieties are ready in how many days? Okay. So he has to tell, like that. There is a question bank which has been built into that. You see the type of labor that has been done in teaching. The question bank has been done, and he's getting random questions from the bank, and he will have to reply right or wrong. So I also don't remember now. Maybe this might be the right answer. Luckily, it is the right answer. So if correct, varieties of paddies, etc., ready in his answer is correct. Go for the next one. Now, which are varieties of paddy recommended for cultivation medium?
Can we change these questions according to us?
Yes, depending upon, because you are the professor, and depending upon your knowledge, you know what type of questions will be asked at the final examination. So we are training him that once he has done your course, he will not fail. Okay, because what is happening is you have created a question bank. That question bank is there, and he is replying to the question bank. And after he is replied, now you see the magic here. What happens is, okay, so I don't know which one is the right answer. I'm not reading also. This is the wrong answer. Okay, deep paddy cultivation done between July 1 to 15. I don't know whether it is right. No, it is also wrong. And then with organic manure is chemical fertilizer used? Perhaps yes. This is the right answer. Weed control by chemical or by machine or by hand. Which is the best one? I don't know. Maybe by hand. I don't know. So it is the wrong answer. Now it says the result. He says you have got less than 80% marks. So you have not cleared your lesson 1. So he will not be given lesson 2 thing till he clears this one. And when he completes the lesson 2, then he is getting questions from lesson 1 and lesson 2. Lesson 1, 2, 3. Ultimately, I can assure you that when he goes to examination, he cannot fail. Because he has gone through all the quizzes. And if he's going through 150 quizzes out of the entire thing, then in the end of the thing, he will know. And what is happening is the present system that people go through the courses and then at the end of this, they are not employable, they don't know the thing, they don't remember. Here you are getting through it in such a manner, and you are forcing him to learn that he has seen the video, something will remain in that. He has seen your audio, so something will remain in that. He has seen the text, something will remain in that. And he has gone through the quizzes, so something will remain in that. And once he has gone through the course, then he will be really, really good, competent to do it. Now, I'm cutting the sharing. We'll talk now. Now, what is happening is that we did something for Bihar Agriculture University. They have got the best e-governance in agriculture teaching award last year. They got from Mumbai. The entire thing was conceived much lower than this. There we designed to give these videos and video conferencing, only 2 things. Now here we are giving the objective of the class, the text, the lesson, the audio, the video, the quizzes, and interaction through your teaching also. And what you are teaching is available for him, for any number of times he is your student. After that, we can cut the password, or we can still put your video on the YouTube so it can be available all the time. So this is a much better and professional way of teaching. And I don't think anybody has done in this, country. This type of teaching has not been done. Might be some people, they are talking a MOOC and like that, but still it is not so structured. And it will be great if you do it. especially in Kuwait, people cannot come to the college. So you are doing much better than just, we just sit like that, you give a lecture, he has listened something, something has not gone, and that's all. He goes for the examination. So you are not really preparing the student as good as you should be able to do it. And this is why I thought, and I don't say that, what model we have put it may be absolutely good. It may need modification with the help of you are the experts, you are teaching, you know the students. So, but the advantage of this is that we are making best use of ICT and the communication technology. And of course, we can supplement further by having community radio or like that. So this is the model I wanted to show to you. And both options are there. Either you have a similar model for your university and it is created for your university. If you want to test it, then you can use our resources and start your classes and test the model, and then you have it. But government is also now aware that corona is not going very quickly and classes cannot be done like this, and they were talking of 100 online universities, and you can be the one, and it will create an impact.
How many students can be added on the same time?
You run one course. We will run one course with your help. Or if you want, one class to be done. If you want one class, one course, from my side, I'm ready for all. I will like entire Kota University to come here, but we will also have to create based on your curriculum. We'll have to make we'll have to make the text. We'll have to make some initial at least quizzes. The quizzes again we have to prepare with your help. So it's a combined effort of the professor concerned, the university, and ours. And with that combined effort, we can create it. So you can have any number of classes that we can decide. From our side, we have the team. We can do it. So, but we'll be taking the text. You will have to draft and give me. In fact, for one of the course for media and technology, I have used engineer-in-chief of the Udarshan, which we are launching a course on media and technology, and he is making the entire course structure. So you will have to create the course content. We'll be able to put the entire thing, create the infrastructure, and then the delivery is done. The advantage of this is generally your course content remains the same for quite a couple of years. So once you have created the content, then your work will become lower next year. Maybe you may like to revise a bit, you may not like to revise a bit, depending upon the course curriculum that changes or not changes. So it will be a method if you do it, and I'm sure then you can tell ICAR. In fact, for Bihar government, the money, some money was given by ICAR under Krishi Vikas Yojana, but I don't know. But once you create a model, and then you tell to Bihar government, to ICAR or Agriculture Ministry that look here, this is the model. Nobody has used anywhere in this country. If anybody, then let them tell me who has done it. So if you are able to tell them, then I am very sure. We started in Bihar with 5 crores, and then the money immediately came from the Bihar government and ICAR. So but some model we will have to give and tell them that look here, this is a possibility. This is what we are doing it. We have implemented it. This is working. Then one day we will call your agriculture minister here on this, and we'll tell them. We will show them that look here, we are teaching the students, you join it. Or we make him to inaugurate it. all my systems. When I put this agriculture knowledge dissemination system, Nitish Kumar came and inaugurated it. When I did it in Hisar Agriculture University, then Huda Sahab came and inaugurated it. So we will have that. So your university will be something very prominent. BAU, it has become prominent. Everybody knows BAU now. They have again put some award something they have applied this year also. And it is nowhere what I am talking here. For them, I had developed what is available in the year 2011. Now we are in 2020. And everybody is very keen that you do it. I will like, and I wished VC Saab could have joined it. But you can communicate, and if required, I can give a presentation to VC Saab and other people if they want it. But do something. This will be a good thing for the agriculture. Everybody who is talking, Modi Saab is talking, doubling income. How the income will double? We have to do something.
How many classes can be accommodated at a time? Can we have 15, 20 classes at a time? Will it be possible for us?
Yes. You tell the requirement and it will be possible to do it. I may have to add up some extra infrastructure. We will do it. We can go to the cloud. It will cost some money, but we can have an entire university like this. We can have the entire university like this. But I will also tell that if you will say that I need so much money, there will be a problem. So what we do is you add up something, 5 classes, 10 classes, whatever you feel like, add it up and then showcase it. So once you add up few classes and we start telling that 5 classes or 10 classes you add up, we will, even when I did for Bihar Agriculture University, I had always been doing this type of job and with all top people. When Bihar Agriculture University, we did it. And we showcased them. Look here, we are doing this. And it went to ICAR. I had met your DG ICAR. And yes, he told, yes, I know what you have done in Bihar Agriculture University. I want to replicate it many places. Unfortunately, your DG changed. And the things went into the file that happens in the government department. It become very difficult to push it. But we want to do it. So, and you will find me very enthusiastic in doing it. I work, 18 hours a day, and my team also works like this. Just now, one university I put online. That is Kuch Bihar University in Bengal. Just now we have done 3 months back. Of course, it has not started, but what we did is when we have put the online, it is a normal university, not an agriculture university. Then I also gave them a model where they can recover some money, and they are now charging 100 rupee extra fees from the students, and they record it. Because when you are doing this type of thing, then you are giving them the entire text curriculum on the website. Okay. And then it is possible, maybe, I don't know whether you can, their executive council has recommended 100 rupees extra fee. Whether you can do it or not, I don't know. But slowly we can do it. Either somebody will support it, either government or, by taking some extra fee or whatever. But we can do it. And then when some good videos are made, it will be available to farmers also.
Good, sir. Very good. I would like to request Dr. I.B. Moria, please express your queries, if any.
Dr. Saab, I have listened. There are so many things is not very much clear. How our faculty will, you can say, give the attendance, and you can say how will he can share the particular screen this type of the information actually we need.
Yes.
So attendance system is not very much clear, sir. Second, assignment system is not very much clear. If someone wants to give the assignment, how will he assign, and how can he schedule the classes? And suppose if there are 10 or 12 faculty members wanted to take the classes at a time, how will they schedule their own classes? So this type of information we need before procuring the system, so that our faculty could not face in future also.
Yes. Let me tell, attendance of course is very easy, and it is a part whosoever has joined it, because you know you are going to attendance. Martha, attendance is very easy, because you are having a list of students who are going to attend a class, and they all will be registered for that class, and you are giving the the link, as well as you are sending them through email, so it will go to them with the password, so you know what is my class, how many people has attended, that will be on record, that how many people have joined it, that also comes out of that. So you'll be knowing that, okay, these 5 people have not attended it. In fact, we can even get the timing when they have attended it. He has attended after 15 minutes, that also we can get it. Because entire thing, not only you are doing, entire thing is on record. So everything is being recorded. Number 1. Number 2 is, you are telling that assignments. Yes, for assignment, what we will have to do, I have not built into this, but you told and it has come in my mind, because I told you, you are the expert, I am not. So assignment, we can make another one where you can upload the assignment, and you will also upload the reply, because I had put the quizzes and I thought that assignment is not required, but of course assignment is required, especially for agriculture classes. So we will create provision for that. Assignment will be there. Third question was, if you are having 10 professors or 20 professors, 10 professors will be taking separate classes. So if I again share,
yes,
I will show that there is one classroom which will be made, you can, that is called chat rooms. So you are having one class which is on paddy cultivation, second is on soil science. So another professor will have another class for soil science. There is a separate website. I can show here if you want. Again, I can share the screen. I can show you there is for horticulture, there is for agriculture, there for animal husbandry. So there are different classes. So it's not that, after that you can go to wtsuniversity.org. You will find that there are different classes, and the professor who is teaching soil science will be going to his class and his students. Now, if they're a common student, you can't teach them, because even now, how can you teach? If you are teaching horticulture, at the same time, you can't, the other professor cannot be teaching the soil science. The students have to be separate, or there should be time multiplexing. Am I clear a bit?
Yes, yes.
So you'll be having as many classrooms. I'm having one classroom. We are discussing about paddy cultivation. A similar classroom will be there, but of course, out of us we can't attend both. So if I am teaching paddy cultivation, my class students of paddy cultivation are attending to me. The other professor who is teaching soil science or animal husbandry, his set of students will be attending to them. So we were just talking that there can be 10 classes. All right, let us have the 10 classes. And you will be having, either it will be serially. If you are having same 70 students who have to attend both the soil science classes and a paddy class, then it will be time slot. 10 to 11 class from professor of paddy cultivation or agriculture, then 11 to 12 the class of this. So there will be time slot if the student has to go through all those classes. But if you are having BSc AG Part 1 and BSc AG Part 2, then of course BSc AG Part 1 will have one total chat room for, if you are having 4 hours, 5 hours, whatever. So that class will be going on. And another one finds BSc AG Part 2 or MSc AG Part 1, he's having another set of classes. Okay. And entire thing is what I'm telling you. You know, when we will be doing it, for example, you told assignment. So it must be available with you. You are already teaching, the assignment is there. So you will do the assignment, we'll put on that. Okay. And if your assignment is subjective, then he will upload there. You will download and you will check that assignment is okay or not. But it is objective, then we can make the computer to check it. It is good, okay, passed. It will be done automatically. Okay. So for subjective thing, there will be extra step where the professor, they will upload on the website and the professor will be able to download and check it. And if it is objective, then we can make the computer, we will give the answer to the computer will check, we will say pass or fail, as I had done for quizzes.
Our next question is that how a dean can monitor the system, that which faculty has taken the classes and which has not taken the scheduled classes. Is there any mechanism system?
Yes, we will give a super password, that is called super password. Okay, so we will hand over the super password of that section. Not only you will be able to know that this fellow is taking the class, you can also peep into the class. So my professor was Jim Rennie, and he always used to tell me one thing: if I have taught you and you have learned, good. If I have taught you, you have failed, then you will defer. If you can be differ if 90% people have passed, or 98% people have passed and 2 have failed, then that student was defer. And if my 90% student failed, then I am defer. How do I do it? So what he used to do is, he used to just peep into the class, sit in the back, on the back bench, and he will see what professors are teaching. That is what they used to do in UK. Now here, we will be giving the password to you. Number 1 is, what he is teaching also is on record. So as a dean, you can see not only that he is taught, you can either simultaneously enter into the classroom and see what he is teaching and how he is teaching. And even afterwards, the entire thing is being recorded. So at any time you can monitor it, which is never possible in the normal system. So he can come, gossip and go away. You don't know he has come all right at 10 o'clock and gone at 11 o'clock. Here he can't do that. The entire thing is on record. So this is a much better, system which is having a proof of everything. What is happening is proof. Everything is being recorded. What is taught is being recorded. What content is being given is recorded. What objective has been given is being recorded. And the student has passed through the quiz, that is also recorded. Nobody can do hera feri. कि इसको पास कर दिया, तो मेरा फेवरेट स्टूडेंट है वो, तो if he has gone through the quiz, it is recorded, that's all. ठीक है ना? तो ICT system में I headed the ICT division of All India Radio and Doordarshan, and I was the person who brought first 6 mainframe computers from abroad. Out of them 4 were used for atomic simulation. So everything is possible in the ICT system.
Sir, we will be able to identify such a student who joins the class initially and left in between?
Yes. Number 1 is, everything is being recorded. So when you are recording, exactly the time when he's coming, if I record this screen, so I know these 4 people have come. But anyway, it will be possible that what time the student is entering into that, and what time he is leaving it, entire record will come to you.
Sir, one question.
Yes.
As you told that the lessons will be recorded automatically in the system.
Yes.
So, where there is a storage?
Yes, this is
on server. On server.
This is a very, very intelligent question. It is possible. For example, what I was showing you just now when I was doing the video of paddy cultivation, it is stored on my server. Okay, we have hired a server space where we have stored it. So when we design a system like this, there are two ways of doing it, because server space is expensive. Video takes a lot of time. So storing text is a very easy one. It doesn't take a space. But when you are storing video, then it is taking a lot of space. And if we go on storing our own videos on our own server, then we will have to spend a lot of money. So generally what is happening, including your ICAR and Krishi Mantralaya is doing this, they are storing on YouTube or Twitch or Vimco, and they are only putting a link into the website. So both of the things are available to us depending upon how much money we want to spend, how much thing we want to do it. So I see that one day, when we were doing this IGNOU video conferencing system, even your Krishi Mantralaya gave 70 crores per annum to us for doing, and IGNOU spent about 600 crores for doing the entire Gyanvani, this Gyan Darshan channel, which goes on the satellite and like that. So we will have to start and showcase the things. Unless you are able to get a lot of money, good for both of us. But otherwise, we will showcase it. And we may not take the entire infrastructure. Because even when we went to, KVK in Sabur, not KVK, this Agriculture University, BA in Sabur, initially with all our mind meeting and this, that, they gave only 5 crores. Then once we inaugurated it and Nitish Kumar ji came and inaugurated, then he was so happy. He sat there like this. 2011, nobody could think of talking like this. And he talked to all the farmers who were sitting in every block. Here all the students you can also put into one block. So right now they may be doing from their home because of the problem of isolation. But it could be possible that all students are in a classroom and you put a big screen. That I did when I was chairman of the System of Electronics and Telecom Engineers, and I did in Delhi. So we put a system where and they are talking to you and they are interacting to you. You are sitting in your room or in somewhere else. Or supposing you are addressing the people in your KVK, in one of the KVKs or one of your centers, then all the people are assembling into one chat room. You are addressing from here, you are talking to them.
All right, sir.
Yes, please.
So what will be the costing for 15 console for 70 students?
15 classroom for 17. This I will 15 classroom, and you will run for whole day?
For whole day.
For whole day. Let me work out. I don't want to do offhand. So you want 15 classroom, 70 students whole day. Okay. And let me work out. I will come back for this. I will come back to you. Or again, at the beginning, we will store I will work out and come back to you for 15 classroom, whole day, 70 students. And then I will not be, what I want to really tell you, that we will be using, some storage on the, something like video Twitch or somewhere, because if we put so many videos, then we will need a lot of space for hiring, going to cloud, and that will be a costly system. So we start like that, and then I will always say that showcase it, go to ICAR and Krishi Mantralaya, we will go together and we will try to get some money from them, unless you have enough money to spend right now. So I can work out both ways, that we do 15 classes, 70 students whole day, and using the outer external storage of video only. All other things will be on my side. So all other things will be all controlled. You will be having the password to check everything like that with us. But video storage will be there. Audio we can also store on our site. Audio, there is no problem. So any audio is made by you, that we can put on your site. It will be with us. But video we will like to store outside, because that will cost money. So that is how I will work out, and I will send you. I am already having your mail, है ना? डॉक्टर मौर्य साहब को मैं मेल भेजूंगा, और
so suppose hello,
yes,
PPT can be stored.
Yes, PPT absolutely no problem.
Yes,
PPT absolutely no problem. Anything which is a text format, that doesn't take much storage. So
right.
we have absolutely no problem. PPT, text, or audio, or this question. For example, I have the quiz which we made, long back using Bihar Agriculture University professors. So maybe now, and your region is different. So maybe for Kota, I don't know whether those quizzes are okay or not. So we will have special quizzes which you will recommend, and your text, PPT, everything we will get from your, we will have to create a system where you assign a professor, and some computer personnel, anybody, your PS can do it, and he coordinates with Pooja and sends everything to her. She will be the coordinating lady, and you send to it, everything will go on, everything will be there, and video we will record when you commit, and that's all. We will give the the password and the key, then you can give to your students.
Sir, this software is a kind of app?
No. Yes, if you want, this can be available even on your Android phone. So what we'll do is, once we have made this, but the only thing, if you give to Android app, then you have no control on that. That student can give to 100 more or 1,000 more. So my present websites, they are available on Android app. I wanted to showcase it, that it is possible to provide an Android app for that. So it is.
We cannot monitor the app. We cannot monitor the app perfectly.
Now, but there will be problem for our students, that our students do not have a laptop or computer at their home.
They don't need a laptop. They need only a mobile phone. I think Pooja is operating from mobile phone only. So now mobile phone everybody is having it.
Okay, no problem. That's what I'm telling.
Mobile phone. Mobile phone is accessible, and everybody is having a Jio phone. So it's all right. Jio data is available. Everybody is going to YouTube. So they are consuming same bandwidth that they are using on YouTube.
Dr. Srivastava, your platform for this will be this Jitsi.org?
Again, you have to tell me your sound. I did not get clearly.
I am just asking, your platform will be this Jitsi.org or what? Some other media?
The platform is a site which has been developed, using the most recent software, and which is very good
right.
software, very
Yeah,
good.
because initially you talked about the bandwidth. Initially you talked about the bandwidth also. So I'm concerned about the bandwidth at student side.
Yes.
So
Now what happens?
Will he be able to access it?
You know what? Yes, please.
Without much spending on the data.
Now, let me tell you, what happens is, when we are doing the video conversation thing, then we ask all the people, for now, just now you see we are all using the video. So what happens is, everybody is asked to switch off the video. Only the person, for example, you see, we are seeing here P is Pooja, I can see her, that Pooja is there, but she has switched it off. So to conserve the bandwidth, what we do is, when your professor will be taking the class, he will ask all the students to switch off. So camera will be switched off. I have switched off the audio also. Now Pooja has come, she has just heard me. She is operating from a mobile phone, and she is more stable than all of us. So mobile phones these days are very good. They are very stable. Cameras are very good in the mobile phone. Everybody is having a Jio phone. Everybody is having it. So it's available. Now everybody switches off the video. Then yes, because only the picture may be there. That's all.
Because you see the bandwidth at the students and is not very much perfect, I mean to say, because they are from rural background, most of them. So that's what I was concerned about that, first thing.
Okay.
Second thing, in customization.
Yes.
In customization part, you will come and customize the site or the platform on which you are giving us the access according to our syllabus and the lecture schedules which we are having. You will customize it, and accordingly you will customize our quizzes and the assignments. Certainly, so means that recorded version will always be there to access by the student. And the teacher will come in the class, that recorded version will always be there with the student, and the teacher can interact on that particular lecture with the students at that particular. That's what you want to say?
Yes, to some extent, yes. See, what is happening is, what you are giving to the students is, you are telling that we are scheduling my class on such and such date at such and such time on soil science. This is the website, study and come back. So he has studied the thing. If your video today will not be there, because it will start when you will start it. So what video I am having it, some videos are there. Otherwise, it may be specifically video will come from you. So what will be there is, he will be having, lecture number 1. I am having, I don't know, if it is not extending, I can show you. We have got one course on BA Honors Philosophy, Part 1, and that has been done by the University professor. Okay. And it is on a similar thing, it is available on this site itself. So what has happened is, he has recorded the entire thing, video is there, the audio is there, the assignment is there, the references is there, the quiz is there, everything is there, the text is there. So we will have to design the curriculum based on your advice and based on your inputs. Okay. So you will give that, I want this assignments to go there, it will be objective, it will not be there. This is my lecture number 1, because he has written, this lecture. Should I show you? You have 2 minutes.
No, I did, but my question is, between 75% of the lecture portion will be pre-recorded.
Yes.
25% will be interaction.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Perfectly okay. In fact, what will happen is, first time you have given a lecture, and next time you have nothing to add in that lecture. Yes. Supposing next year you have nothing to add. So what you will tell that is what we are doing in the Bihar Agriculture University. We will tell the student, go through the lecture, go through this thing, come tomorrow, we are going to have the class. Then you are telling them, have you gone through the video? Yes. Now in the video, have you seen this? What is the reply to that? Like that. So you can explain it. You run a bit, stop it, explain it, run a bit, stop it. So you are teaching like that only. So your job becomes less. We need not record it also what you are doing it. So because the video has been recorded. So yes, your job will be reduced next time when you are teaching. Yes.
And screen share option will be there?
Yes.
With the teachers?
I was just, sharing the screen. I showed you.
Yes, you were sharing, but with the teachers, like Dr. Jain asked you that he wants for 15 teachers. So will they be having the access of screen sharing?
See, when the system will go to you, I am not there. So whatever facility I am using as a supervisor,
that's why my first question was about the platform. Which platform we will be given to perform our task? Means like I can see in the corner it is jitsi.org.
Yes.
So is this will be the website?
And that is what I suggest you, that we do it jointly. We go in this platform, and the lessons which will be done by that will put Kota University emblem. So instead of changing the platform, redoing the entire thing, doing the software, we don't want to do that. What we want to do is you use this platform, and using this platform, we'll be having entire section for the Kota University. And in the Kota University, these are the professors, those professors are having their own. If you want to give them all access, then okay. Otherwise, we can restrict the access for individual professors. He will be having access for all the classes that he is having it. So only in that directory he will be operating. The other person will be operating in his directory. And somebody can have the access for everything that you want to do it.
So means the students will have to access the jitsi.org. Everything will be on this website.
Yes.
Under the credentials of Agriculture University Kota subsection.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir, thank you. And we will wait for the prices.
Okay.
Other things are okay. If there are no queries from the side of Dr. I.B. Moria, we should thank Dr. Srivastav for explaining the project in a very nice manner, and we will accept it if the cost will accommodate in our budget.
Okay. And that's how I want to again get your name. I got confused.
Dr. MC Jain. Dr. MC Jain.
Dr. MC Jain. Okay. डॉक्टर सर ऐसा है कि आई एम वेरी कीन टू स्टार्ट इट. We are signing an MOU with an organization which is an international organization doing in 31 countries, and that is known as African Asian Rural Development Organization. So our MOU is being signed there, and we want to take these courses to 31 countries in the world, including the African courses. With your, cooperation, we will be able to go to those places because, I'm not an agricultural scientist, I'm not expert. So your expertise, and in fact, one of my, old acquaintance, which is professor in RAU Pusa, Professor Birendra Kumar, I had invited him. I don't know, he could not join it. He taught in Ethiopian University. There is some agriculture university in Ethiopia, and he is talking to his chancellor so that we could coordinate it. So I want to create a combined platform where your expertise goes over there. So we are looking much beyond this, that our experts are able to travel to those places, they are able to come to those places. So let us do it. and I will make some budget. I will not make a great budget, money. I don't want to earn money out of this. I want to launch this platform. So I will be very happy even if you tell that this is my budget, please do in this. So let us start with that. Let us start with whatsoever budget you can afford it. We will do it for you. We'll do it without any, profit. And we want you to not only teach here, we want you to teach there. And my biggest day will be the day when your agriculture minister comes to inaugurate your system. And I assure you, of course, it will be only done on tomorrow. I have given some proposal for Vidarbha region. They want to establish 15 KVK in Vidarbha. And Gadkari Sahab is, superheading that. So tomorrow they are having a meeting there. Only yesterday I had a video conference with them. So let us do something good for the farming community. And unless we do something like this, then only they will get, real advantage, and your students will also learn and something will come out of it. Otherwise, we're just passing some exams, some way, you're telling 75% courses, pass them without exam. Kya fayda? It will not give anything to the nation. So that is what we should do it, and let us do it. I will make a budget. I will give as less as possible. And if you will say that, okay, I am having this budget, you can tell this budget, then I will make that proposal to that budget only. So, it depends upon how extensive I want to make it, or we want to restrict it to that budget and start rolling it. And I'm very sure once you will roll it, you will get a lot of money. I will tell you how to do it. I don't know whether you are having Krishi Vikas Yojana is going on or not going on, I don't know. But we got a lot of money from Krishi Vikas Yojana. Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana, you must be knowing, you are in the agriculture system. So we will try to get some, approach it together for some funding, which might come. But let us do it. And I will send it, be frank, tell that, okay, I will leave on you to do it, okay?
Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, and
Thank you,
look forward to working.
Thank you, Srivastava sahab. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I will send you.
Okay, bye bye to everyone.
Okay.